Assalamualaikum. I am Noreen Jamal from Beria College Karim campus. Today we are going to learn about lesson book 4 in composition. Our topic is describing a scene. Before going to our topic, we must have clear information about that what is scene. Here I put some definitions of scene. The first one is the place where some actions or events occur. For example, he turned to the scene of the murder, an incident or situation in real life. And the fourth point is an embarrassment, outbreak or display of anger, strong feelings or bad manners. For example, please don't make a scene in such a public place. A division of a play or an act usually representing what passed between certain of the actors in one place. A unit of action or a segment of a story in a play, motion picture. Now we come to our topic, that how we describe a scene. Good description should make a sense vivid to the reader. That means it should be clear, strong and believable. This applies to both real plays and events or imaginary ones. When writing descriptively, you should consider the time and place. For example, a deserted park at night requires a completely different descriptions from busy park during the daytime. And the third one is how much description you put in depends on the purpose of your writing. If you want to set a scene for a story, you will need less than if you are obtaining or for a descriptive essay. Here are some hints which I taken from your textbook. Hints on describing a scene. Here are some points. The point 1 is give a general impression of a place and try to capture the atmosphere. Describe the people present, how they are dressed, what mood they are in, and what they are doing, etc. Relate any incident that may have taken place, whether it is funny, amusing, unpleasant, or untoward. Note any distinctive sound and element. Describe your own feelings. Here I put the example of describing a scene. I choose the topic which is the significance of a sound in a football game. Can you imagine football field without a sound during a game? It is impossible not to hear any sound during a football game. The players are running, panting and yelling all around the field, trying to catch the ball, while other players are from the other team are pushing and thinking them before they can score. Some standing on the side facing the other coach, who is standing on the other side of the field. They are giving direction to the players and also hearing shouting at them. Some they are really throw food and boo off their team if the team is losing. However, they don't stop yelling and shouting during the game. Here the last point is instead bracket up between 2 to 3 paragraphs, but I put here one paragraph for a better understanding. Like the example from the significance of sound in a football game, keep your description modality brief. Will not only progress the story but also make it both interesting and immersive. So here are the revision of the lesson, that what is scene, how to describe a scene, hint for describing a scene, which you learn from in this chapter. Now here I give the homework. Do exercise number 1 and 2 in your school copy with your understanding. If you have any queries, then please ask me. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you. I hope you all understand.